Hello children. So today let us see regarding few tips for your examination. So everybody must have put lot of hard work to give your best during your exams. So whatever hard work you put, so you have to write during your exams within the 3 hours whatever you get. So for that purpose, how to manage the time, how to present properly, so that we will see today. Success is the satisfaction an individual attains by achieving a goal. To get that success, we have to work with lot of hard work and determination. So whatever hard work you put, and you have to give that output during your exams. So to bring out the best in you, how to write your exams, let us see today. So first of all, when you enter inside your examination hall, you should have immense confidence in yourself. So whatever I studied, I remember. So I will write my best. I will give my best. Like that, you should have that confidence and never be nervous. So before exam day, at least 6 hours of sound sleep is must for you. So if you slept nicely, then only you can give your best during your exams. Your mind will be fresh. Then you can give your best during your exams. Take sufficient energy giving food, particularly on the day of examination. Don't skip your breakfast. You take your breakfast, and mainly the energy giving food, you have to take that. So if you have energy, then only even your brain will function properly, then you can write also properly. So that's why, so proper food, that is the breakfast. So what you have to take, no, so in the morning it is must for you that you have to take. So when you enter inside the examination hall, take a deep breathing and try to relax, and never you feel no tensed up. Avoid unnecessary discussion and arguments with others before enter inside the exam hall. It may lead to a lot of confusion and tension. So because sometimes what do? So before enter inside examination hall, you may discuss with your friends. So what to do, how to write, what you have studied, what you have learnt, what type of answer we can give. So please don't discuss anything. So you focus upon your thing, what you studied, and you enter inside the examination hall with calm and quiet good mood. When you enter inside, you will get the question paper 15 minutes before writing the exam, and you utilize that 15 minutes with full concentration. Read the question paper thoroughly and finalize what you know and you don't know. So whatever you know the answer, attempt all the questions first. Then average what you know, moderate level, then finally the tough questions. And while writing, no children, so please try to write in order. Section A, section B, section C. Don't jumble up the things. So always write in proper order and give the question number also properly. Try to avoid unnecessary striking up of answers. So please write in a neat handwriting. The shabby way of presentation to be avoided. The handwriting, so what the best of your handwriting, try to write there. So because you have to impress your examiner by giving proper presentation. So presentation to be good. So do not attempt any question in a hurry. So read the question carefully. Whatever answer you get, you think and you write properly. Don't write in a hurry. So keep the time in mind and attempt all the questions carefully. Don't leave any questions. We have to attempt all the questions. And keep the time also. Sometimes what do? So you write 1 mark, 2 mark and 3 mark questions in a long way. And later you may not find time to write the 5 mark questions. That is whatever the long answer questions you may not be able to write. That's why allot the time and keep the time in mind. So and attempt all the questions carefully according to the weightage of marks. Do not divert your attention towards others during your examination. So with full concentration do your work. If your attention is diverted, your brain won't function properly. So that's why you focus upon the exam and you give your best. And do not leave any question. I already told you, don't leave any question and try to answer it with whatever knowledge you have. Try to write all the things what you remember. So regarding the question, related to the question, whatever answer you get, write all the answers. So don't leave anything. So then later you may think, so if I would have written, so I would have got good marks. So please later don't give any chance. In case of descriptive answers, write the answers point wise. So it has to be written one by one separately, the points. Don't write together in a paragraph. So if there are the points, the highlight the main points. So because an examiner while he is reading out, it should not miss out. So that's why you underline or highlight the points, whatever the important points are. So don't use other color pens, only use the blue color pen, and you can use the same pen for underlining also. Don't use any other color. So in case of map, graph, diagram based questions are there. So try to attempt that one in advance, not at the end. Okay, so nowadays diagram based questions also asked. They may ask you to draw the diagram, and sometimes they may ask you to label. Try to do that in advance. So if you are doing at the end, so it may lead to wrong things. So while if in case nowadays MCQs are there, multiple choice questions. So while attempting the multiple choice questions, so you write A, B, C or D, the correct option. You write the option along with the sentences. That is the entire sentence, the phrases you have to write fully. Okay, simply writing A, B, C, D, please don't do like that. So write properly. So then later, don't use any whitener also. So using of whitener to be avoided. So if there is any wrong answer, simply you strike it off and you can write the correct answer later. So always while writing, so write all the questions try to write in order, it's best. So don't jumble up the things. So always write in order. It's best for you because the examiner he has to carry the marks in the front sheet also. Sometimes he may give marks inside the answer sheet and he may forget to carry it to the front page if you are writing, jumble up all the answers. So that's why try to write your best in order, question wise and also the number wise, and you give the correct number to the questions also. And the last additional sheet, so just you try to get 10 minutes before the completion of examination, and you tie it off and you start to write. So because last minute tying, it may lead to mishandling. So that's why, so if you want, you have to get any supplementary additional sheet. So get 10 minutes before, you tie it up and you write. So don't tie it up in the last minute because it may open up. So if it opens up, whatever you return, the supplementary, the additional sheet will be missed. So that's why, so better you tie up and you write the answer sheets. Write the number of additional sheets used also, supplementaries, whatever used in the front page. In the case of board exam, so CBSE exams and all, writing the roll number. So in the sheets, additional sheets, you should not write. So but in school exams, you can write the roll numbers in the additional sheets. So make sure you have attempted all the questions without fail. Attempting all the question is must for you. So whatever you know regarding the question, something you write. So just you verify whether you have written all the questions. You can do one thing also, while if you are writing the answer, if you have completed the answer, in the question paper you can strike off the number of the question. So then you must be knowing, okay, you have completed the question, like that you must be remembering. So last minute checking up is must for you. So and utilizing the time properly, it's must. And last 10 minutes, so it is just for revising the paper you use. Till end of the completion of exam, please don't write. Last 10 minutes you leave for you, and you can revise and you can see whether you have attempted all the questions. If there is any missing points, you can write. So last 10 minutes it can be utilized for that purpose. So that's why, so well in advance, before 10 minutes you complete your exam and verify all the things whatever you have written. And you see properly whether you have tied your supplementaries together properly. If there are maps and graphs, so that also you have to verify properly. If you follow above tips, children, so then it will be easier for you. Whatever you learned throughout the year, you can put up in your session ending exam and you can give your best. So if you are writing all, you may score also good. So that's why, so write well. If you are writing well, the success is yours, children. All the best for you or your exams. Thank you.